Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to complete your workbook on the I Am Sober application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Today button down below, which is the second option. After that, you should tap on the workbook section at the top of the screen. That's the third option, and here you can find a bunch of topics that you can select, such as learn from your past, improve your environment, build independence, self-assessment, establish your values, and so on. So tap on the relevant one. And here you can see what it contains. So tap on the first one, for example, which is about childhood effects, and then you should answer this question. So type it in. As you can see, you gave an answer to it, so this part of your workbook is completed. So tap on the other one and fill in these exercises. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.